Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy Sunday and also happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hopefully, you're getting time to spend up with your family and especially your mothers because your mothers is who gave you birth to you. And, hopefully, you're able to spend time with them and shower them with all the presents and gifts that they deserve. So, earlier today, or actually yesterday, my family and I, I drove up to LA where my parents live, and my brother and I, we took my mother out for lunch, and yeah, I gave her a nice sweater that said "Happy Mom, Happy Life." She was really cute. She loved it. Um, but yeah, guys, just wanted to share with you guys what I did. And now today, I just basically hung out in Orange County, had lunch, and then yeah, now I'm back on the charts, and um, I'm gonna do some chart work for you guys because today is Sunday, and as always, I like to do some chart work for you guys. Um, But yeah, guys, I will now get back to the charts. So, really quickly, what I like to do is I like to review my charts from previous Sunday. So, I'll go to May 4th. So, what early on in the session, what I like to do is what I like to do is I like to review my trades. So, right off the bat, so on market open, I took a 41 pip loss. And then over here, it took a 101 pip win. And I wish I held this trade because price just pumped and pumped and pumped. It didn't do what I thought it was going to do. I thought this price was going to break down over here and continue down lower and to be able to take down liquidity down here, but it didn't. It just continued to rally and just rally, rally, rally. So imagine if I held this trade, I would have bagged a lot. So, but anyways, so over here I took a nice 77 pip win. Over here, this is Monday market open. So I took a 53 pip loss and I took a 12 pip win over here. Oh no, I think I took a 40 pip loss and I think I took another back to back loss of 61 pips. And then over here, I took a 42 pip win. And then over here, I took a 273 pip win. This is a fired freaking trade because this was um, this was Monday at 5:25 a.m. I don't know why I was trading that early, but I guess I did. Over here, I definitely took a 48 pip loss. I took a 30 pip win. Over here, I think I took a break even trade over here. Over here, a 63 pip loss because it looks like I got stopped out just by a hair, and price just rallied in my direction, which kind of sucked. Over here, 22 pip win. Over here, 105 pip win. A 48 pip win. Over here, I took a scalp for 10 pips. Super stupid. Over here, 43 pip win. Over here, a 100 pip win. I wish I held this one too because I don't wish it I didn't change my bias because I remember this trade because at market open um, at 3 p.m. on Tuesday, some price just dumped. It just massively dumped. Over here, price took a 155 pip loss. I think I went on tilt over here for a little bit. Because over here, I took a 126 pip win. Actually, I did not go in. I know I went on tilt somewhere around here. Over here, I took a 15 pip win. Actually, no, a 38 pip loss, a 16 pip win, a 40 pip loss. Over here, I think I held this trade for too long. I think I took a 43 pip loss. I think I took a 100 pip win over here. And then over here, oh, I know I took a 62 pip win because this is how I passed my funded challenge over here. I took 50 contracts over here, and I made $3,200 on this trade. And over here, I took a 37 pip loss. I know this one because I was like scrambling to find a entry on a pullback, but I definitely got stopped out. And then my new funded account got annihilated. Well, actually, almost got annihilated because I'm like $2.50 from blowing this account. Um, Over here, price. I did not trade Thursday morning. I think because I was waiting for my new funded account to get funded. Over here, I I think I took a break even trade in here, 31 pips. Over here, 56 pip loss, a 205 pip win. I wish I held that one. Over here, scalped this one for 106 pips win. And price just rallied. Look at how much it freaking rallied. It's so crazy. I'm so glad I didn't try to hold this until the break of liquidity down here. But yeah, it just goes to show that you just need to take a piece of the move, not the whole move. Over here, 104 pip win, a 60 pip loss, a 25 pip loss, and then over here a 84 pip loss. This is today, it's Sunday market open. And over here, 33 pip win, and over here a 206 pip loss on the two contracts. I know this one because I was watching this. And over here, I'm currently in drawdown on this trade. I'm $144 in drawdown on this trade. But yeah, guys, just want to share with you guys that sometimes I do go on tilt, and sometimes you just need to catch yourself and stop because sometimes you just don't know when you're gonna stop trading. So, yeah, guys, I definitely took too many trades, but definitely want to share this with you guys because sometimes like going on tilt is not it's a very bad thing. You just need to be able to catch yourself and know when to stop. But all right, guys, I'm going to delete my charts and I'm gonna go ahead and chart for y'all. And as always, I like to start on a daily time frame. I like to mark up the new all-time highs. There's a key daily resistance. Daily resistance. It's another daily resistance over here. Daily support. It's the key daily support area. Key daily resistance. Now I'm going to drop down to the 4-hour time frame to find our 4-hour zones. I like this zone right here. And if you're new, I like to draw out my key zones to the nearest Sunday or the next Sunday. So that's Monday. So I'm trying to draw it to next Sunday so I don't have to redo my charts all the time. Drop down to the 30-minute time frame to find my lower zones, lower time frame zones. You can see a nice strong level of support shown as resistance right here. That's probably why gold had a reaction right there. I'm gonna put an alert right there because price might just come down and retest this little area of resistance and reject again. And so as soon as price opened up at market open, price just did a big ass gap, did a 200 or 300 pip gap. So this gap will definitely get filled at some point. We don't know when. Might be happening at late New York, late Asian session today, or New York session tomorrow morning. But at some point, this gap will be filled. Let's look at the fundamentals for this coming week. CPI is definitely this Tuesday, so it's going to be a big indicator for news for gold. So this was last week. So Tuesday, core CPI, that's the big one, and Thursday, core PPI. Those are the two big news days. And Federal Chair Jerome Powell is going to speak on Thursday at 5:40 a.m. So those are the three big news events I would look out for this week. So I'm gonna go back and head and go back to my 4-hour time frame, so you guys can look at the key daily key levels I have marked up, so you guys can take a look at them. Take a screenshot, save it, and mark your charts accordingly. All right, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you guys next week. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit my DMs. All right, peace.